What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. What's going on, you guys? Today I will be showing you guys how I do this natural updo. Like, okay, oh girl, like yay! And I'll also be showing you guys how I prepare my hair before a protective style. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, before I begin my protective style, I have to shampoo and deep condition my hair. This shampoo, it smelled really good. It left my hair feeling soft. It didn't feel like it stripped my hair. But y'all, that deep conditioner, I did really love the deep conditioner. I want to continue to use it weekly to see if it will make a difference in my hair. But it smelled good. It left my hair feeling soft. I did sit under the dryer with a plastic cap for 45 minutes. And after I rinsed the deep conditioner out, I did give myself a light blowout and a little trim before beginning my style. Okay, to begin this style, we're going to start off with 3 sections. I already did 1 section off camera, and then for the back, I'm going to split it in 2. So after I do that, we're going to have 3 sections. You're going to have 1 on the bottom, 1 in the middle, and 1 on top. So after you have sectioned off your hair, don't worry about the parting. The hair will cover it up. After you section off your hair, you want to go ahead and take any gel or edge control of your choice and lay down each section. Okay, now that our hair is laid down and we have twisted up our hair into 3 mini buns, we're going to take the hair out the pack and we're just going to simply attach it to the top bun and the bottom bun. And that's it. We're going to leave the second bun completely empty because that will be covered up, so don't worry about it. So once you attach the back hair to the back bun, you want to begin twisting each section. So in total, you will have 4 twists once you completing twisting up the braiding hair. Okay, and make sure you add a rubber band to the end so that the twists don't unravel. Okay, now that the hair is twisted up, now we can begin pinning the hair up. So watch what I'm doing. We're going to make like a pinwheel, basically. Is that what it's called? But you just begin rolling the hair up. And after you roll it up, you're just going to pin it. You're going to place it to where you would like your bang. Is that a bang? Or what do they call it, a bouffant? You're going to pin it where you want it to lay. Like, make sure you're just tucking and pinning. This style is so easy to achieve, y'all. So with the second twist, we're going to do the same circular motion and we're going to twist the hair up. And after you've twisted the second twist up, ooh, that was a tongue tie, twisting the second twist up. You're just going to lay it on top of your second bun. And after you lay it on your second bun, that's when you begin to place your bobby pins to hold it in place. See, this style is so easy, y'all. Like, you can make it up and do it how you want and lay it and pin it how you want just to fit your face. Okay, so now I'm just going to begin twisting the back hair and then we're going to begin pinning up the back. Now it's time to pin up the back. And basically, I took each twist and I did it like in the number 8 motion. You just want to cover up your buns in the back. That's it. You can lay your twists how you want to lay them, but I did this because I felt like it worked best. You do have to play around with this style to get the twist to lay how you want it to lay, but basically it's a lot of tucking and pinning. That's it. Don't overthink it. Don't make it complicated. This style is so easy, y'all. So just place the twists and tuck them and just make sure your buns are covered and you're good to go. Okay, so this style was really easy to achieve. I know the back is like kind of confusing when you sit and look at it, but once you do it, basically you're taking the two twists and just wrapping them around your bun. Like, that's it. And you're just making sure that your buns are covered and you're pinning to your heart's desires. Like, you're just tucking and pinning. If y'all hear like some like bomb like noises go off, they're having artillery training on base, and like my whole house just shook, y'all. Like, literally just shake your face, watch yourself. Yes, y'all, it's really easy, and you just pin it to how you want it to look. You pin it like, some people might want this flatter or want this bigger. You pin it to fit your face and what you want. Okay, so hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. Hopefully you like this hairstyle. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Like, what y'all waiting for? We have finally reached 800 subscribers, and this is my first video that I've posted since being on YouTube for a full year. So I'm really excited about that. I'm so proud of myself, and I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you that support my page, that like my videos, comment on my videos, share my videos. If you tell your friends about my channel, I just thank y'all like 100% for that. Like, your support means everything, and you guys motivate me to keep pushing out this content and just continue to live my best life and try to inspire the next person. Okay, so if you are subscribed, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.